Esther and welcome to Minden's. Minden's are nutritious, delicious meals you can make in minutes using 5 ingredients or less. So let's get started with today's Minden. Today we're making turkey breast tenderloins in a crock pot. And what a better recipe for our last Crocktober than turkey, since Thanksgiving is around the corner. Let's get started with this one. What we're going to use is 2 packages of turkey tenderloins, and the reason I like to use 2 packages is it will give you a ton of meat, and I'm going to show you in the next 2 episodes of Minden's a couple different recipes that we can use just with this one crock pot recipe. So first thing I do is I spray the crock pot with a little bit of olive oil, and that'll prevent any sticking to your crock pot, and we're all about the easy cleanup as well as the easy quick recipes. So then all we're going to do is we're going to take the turkey tenderloins, we're going to put them right in the crock pot. And this crock pot, like I said, I like to get large crock pots. It can fit a lot of different things in here. It can fit vegetables and your protein, and this will surely hold 4 tenderloins. I know because I've made them before in here. Now you know that recipe with it's that buffalo pulled chicken recipe. This is similar. That's what gave me the idea to create this one. I wanted something that was not as spicy, but that was a similar delicious recipe like that, and I got it with this magic ingredient called Zug, and it is a spicy Mediterranean dip. You can use it as a dip, or you can use it as an accompaniment and as a sauce, and I love to use this as a sauce. We're going to use the whole jar, or the whole can, excuse me, of the Zug. Put all of that right in there. And then we're going to use this organic ranch dressing. And we're only going to use half a jar. Just squirt that right in there too. And that's it. We're done. Going to give it a little stir, or just kind of spread the sauce out. Now you can cook this on low for 12 hours. So you can put it in at 8 o'clock at night. You wake up at 8 o'clock in the morning and your whole house will smell like turkey. It'll be delicious. Or you can cook it on high for 6 hours. And what I do is, what I've done in the past, what I add to this is the frozen gnocchi, the cauliflower gnocchi, makes an amazing accompaniment for this. And you can put in the whole bag frozen. If you are doing it on high, you want to put it in for the last 30 minutes, on low for the last hour. And if you subscribe to my YouTube, you will see this recipe as well as the next 2 weeks of recipes that will show you what else we can do with this turkey. And I'll show you how I pull it. I can't show you now because it's going to take 12 hours to cook. So make sure you subscribe to my Instagram, because I will show you a picture of this with the gnocchi finished, and then you'll see the other recipes as well. We are, all our recipes are on our Facebook page, or on our Facebook, which is Minden's, and our website, which is mindens.com, where you'll find all the nutritional information as well as the cost per serving. So thank you for joining us on Minden's for our last Crocktober recipe.